Yeah. Let's go. Yeah.
You can dance a lot there actually, like salsa.
Yeah.
Merengue.
It has a lot of people who come here.
Yes.
Oh wow. So
Yes.
Friday or Saturday?
You know, you can come here Fridays. On Fridays it will be full.
Okay.
Saturdays too.
So tonight maybe we shall come here if you are free. You know, we can come and dance.
Look.
Uh-huh.
What you're
So
saying
it's called Casino Imperia. Also, there's another casino right here. Yeah. So,
Look, that proves what I was saying
Yeah.
to you. That we just came. I just came just for work,
yeah,
and then I'm going to end it up in a party.
in a party.
I wasn't planning to get to drinks tonight,
Yeah.
and I already had it.
Damn.
It's limon magic.
Hey,
Limon.
ensure you follow them on Instagram. I'll be putting their Instagram on my Instagram. I am Mara. Go check them there. Show them some love, support.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Going out. This place is called Limon, Costa Rica. I'm going out to experience the nightlife, okay? So, let me see. I hear some sounds the other side. Yeah. Probably I'll follow those sounds and see. Streets. I don't know how scanty they are. Let me use my small camera, okay? But so far, this is how it looks like. I hear drums everywhere. Oh, sorry, I'm using my phone to film this. So let me see. The constant light. I have to be careful here. See that? Wow. I'm using my phone. My phone is more clear in these streets. That's how they look behind me. And right there, that's how it is. You know, I'm so new here and I'm just carrying on my phone like this. Okay, let's explore the streets. Limon, Costa Rica. Oh, it was coming from this side, you see? This side. That's where they've been playing those drums. Yeah, you hear that? That's how the streets are. So boom. No leg, but oh man.
Limon has done his magic on it. Even though he has no leg, he's still happy.
Oh man, that's nice. Yeah. Oh man, did you see that? Yeah, man. Hey, muchas gracias. Look. Yeah, life, man. Life is how you make it, actually. Life is not about the big things. Life is just about moments, small moments in life, and how you appreciate them. That guy looks so happy and he has no leg, man. Me, I'm like, wow. Yeah, you know? Yeah, it's amazing.
And you know he's enjoying the music.
Yeah. Actually, he's happy, you know?
Yes,
he's
happy.
happy.
He don't
Yeah.
need to be in the place to enjoy it.
Exactly. Or a lot of money. He smokes his...
Exactly.
Wow, look
Actually,
this.
he has a girlfriend.
Oh, that guy has a
He
girlfriend?
has a girlfriend.
Oh, wow, man.
He doesn't need to have have a lot of money,
True.
to be the most handsome guy in the place.
Yeah.
He still have some love,
Yeah.
some life.
Wanna take some photos here? I think here is okay, super okay. So let me be your photo. What's up guys? We're in Malecon, right? This place is Malecon. But how do you call this?
This place is called...
What's up guys? I'm right here in Limon in Costa Rica. And hey, what's your name?
And Jaslyn. I'm
Jaslyn
Nicole.
and Nicole. And we're right here. This place is called?
Mirador. El Mirador.
El Mirador. Mirador is a place like viewpoint. And right behind us is the big ocean. This is ¿cuál? Caribe, like which type of ocean
Yeah,
is this?
Caribe.
The Caribbean.
Yeah.
So
Also
the
known as Atlántico.
Oh, this is Atlantic Ocean too?
Yeah.
Oh, so we're in Atlantic Ocean. And yeah, we're just here trying to film nightlife, show you places and things. It looks so chill, nice, you know? Yeah, Limon, the vibe is so good. Hey, tell them to follow you on Instagram.
Follow us on Instagram. My name is Esplendora08.
My name is Piate.
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 So, man, please check them. If you're coming to Costa Rica, Limon, boom, they'll be showing you around. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Take care, guys. Bye. What's up, guys? Please ensure you go check their Instagram. On my Instagram, I am Maro, the same name as this YouTube channel. I just put their names right there. Go follow them, give them some love, positive energy. Yeah, and maybe when you come to Limon, you may be meeting them to show you around. You know, they speak good English, and you know, this is just a perfect. Yeah, very friendly. Okay, bye bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Take care, guys. Bye bye. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. What's up, guys? My name is Marwa, and if it's your first time to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. Hey, I'm here with
Angie.
Angie. Yeah, I was introduced to Angie with the MVP of this. Hey, say hello.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Yeah, this is the. I hope you've seen him in my other videos. He's the guy who has been
going
telling me come to Limon, and also we have friends here. Hey, you can say hello.
Hi.
Yeah, we have.
You know,
friends,
actually, Angie is one of my best friends.
yeah. They work together. Actually, they work together. So,
work
Angie, tell us the story. Angie has a
Well,
story
I'm
to
from
tell us.
Guatemala, but
Yeah.
I live in Costa Rica
Yeah.
since 7 years ago.
Oh wow!
Yes, and my father is Mexican and my mom is from Nicaragua.
Damn,
And
then why
yes,
is it?
I'm a full combination of shit, but don't worry, guys.
Damn, like,
I'm just
wait.
trying it.
Who is your Mexican? Your mom?
No, my father.
Your
My
father is
father,
Mexican?
Yes.
But your mom is
From Nicaragua, and I born in Guatemala.
Damn, and now you're living in Costa Rica.
Yes, and now I live in Costa Rica dating with a fucking tico, you know, it's like a huge mess.
Oh man.
But you need to come to Limon, guys. It's super pretty, super safe. We are walking
In the
here
streets, yeah. Okay.
at 9 p.m.
Actually, it's 10.
With-
Yeah.
Actually, it's not even
with
nice.
a cell phone.
Yeah.
So
It's
very
with our
nice.
Rolex now.
So,
Very nice.
how do you like? Which nationality are you? How do you claim yourself? Are you Mexican or?
I don't know. You know, it's like a shit. I don't know. I can't define something like that because
Oh, man.
I have pieces from a lot of places, and
Yeah.
I can't explain how I feel. You know, it's
So wait, when you
weird.
came to Costa Rica, you live by yourself? Or,
yes, I buy my own right now.
And your family, like
I'm trying.
sisters?
They live in Puerto Viejo.
Oh,
It's-
but in Costa Rica, right?
Yes, here
Okay,
in
so that's
Limon,
much
in
better.
the same province, but
Oh, that's much better.
yes. But I'm living by my own. You know, trying to be independent.
Yeah. How old are you?
I am 19 years.
19.
Yes, I'm super young.
Wow. But you're doing it by yourself?
Yes, I'm working as a bartender and
Yeah.
a waitress,
Yeah.
and you know it's like shit, but I'm trying it.
I hope your boss does not see this because he will fire you.
yeah.
Don't show the boss my social media, maybe. So, hey, tell us something like you love to sing, something like that.
Yes, I love to sing, but a lot of people don't know that I'm good at singing.
Okay.
But you know, I'm trying to with another friend to make a song.
Yeah.
We are, you know, preparing the road, but I would like to share my talent because nobody knows.
Okay. So wait, do you have like any music? Maybe I could tell people to follow you and check what you do.
Yes, that's the point, that the people don't know that I can sing. And I didn't even post something like I can sing, guys.
Okay, so I think you need to first like put some songs out.
Yes, I can.
And people can now, when you put out, I'll tell you this, when you put your songs out, you can email me or write me or whatever in maybe Instagram. And I can tell people, hey, look, Angie just made her first song, you know?
Yes.
What is stopping you from living your dream, like chasing it down, like going for it?
I don't know. I would like someday to be a journalist.
A journalist.
I would like to travel around the world like you. Because
you know, nowadays it's very easy, you know? All you need is just a camera and good stories.
Yes. But you know, I would like to travel to other places, meet any kind of people, no talent, no, you know.
What's your biggest passion in life? Your biggest passion?
Learning.
Oh wow.
The powerful of learning for me is the most important thing in the life. Because when you learn, you know, you never stop learning.
Yeah, exactly. Every day is a school. Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, that's why I love living.
Wow.
That's why I love to be young, because I'm capable to learn every day, and that makes me feel, you know, wonderful.
Wow.
Because I can explain something like that.
So I want to say this, like, I don't know, I want to help you do your first song. What do you need? This is like so special actually for me. I just want to support you and like support you. What do you need to do your first song?
For what? For singing?
Yeah, like what have you been missing that you wish you have for you to do it?
I can sing, I know. So just let me start.
It's shaky.
I'm going to sing a piece of song that I like.
That's
It's
nice.
from Calle 13.
Okay, Calle 13.
But the part in which the girls sing. Like,
Okay.
tú no puedes comprar el viento, tú no puedes comprar el sol, tú no puedes comprar la lluvia, tú no puedes comprar el calor, tú no puedes comprar las nubes, tú no puedes comprar los colores, tú no puedes comprar mi vida, tú no puedes comprar mis dolores. Bueno, ahí un poquito.
Wow. Actually, yeah. That was really amazing.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.
And do you have like a studio here where you wanna record your songs?
No,
Actually,
yet.
I would have paid for your first studio.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm so serious about that.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Thank you.
Or maybe you can check online if you see and you tell me how many dollars it costs. I just wanna be that guy who like was there for you when you
Really?
you
Oh my
started.
God.
No, I'm damn serious. I'm not just doing it for the camera. Yeah. I'm not just doing it for the camera, but you know, sometimes when you see people like really work hard and you've seen that and you've seen the dream come true, I want to come through for you. You know?
No, gracias.
Yeah.
Muchas gracias.
So yeah, I think that will be the end of the video. But if she's serious about it, actually I want to be just that part of her struggles. She does this. Okay, so
Bye.
bye. Take care, guys. I hope one day she'll do her job, and I will be putting her links below one day. But as per now, she doesn't have a YouTube. Do you have a YouTube channel?
No yet.
And
I'm a high star.
Instagram.
Yes, I use AO. ¿Cómo se dice? Guión bajo.
Underscore, right?
Underscore. Yes.
Yeah, underscore.
AO. Under. ¿Qué?
Okay, let me do this. I'll just write it. I'll write it down here.
I don't know. My
Underscore.
English is
Yeah,
like what the fuck.
underscore. Okay. Hey man, let the crew say bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
So he's the guy who has introduced me to this crew. Yeah, man, that's so special. He was always writing me, telling me, Lemon is waiting for you. And actually, I found Lemon in a big way. super big
Okay.
one.
So
Hey.
you will see you later.
Yeah,
You will
man.
see you later. Okay.
Hey, you can say bye together, like.
Bye.
Yeah. Hey, my boy.
Bye.
Yeah, take care, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye.